Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole.
Bonjour.
This is Adrian. Welcome back. Today, here is another dictation exercise to help you improve your English, your listening skills, and your listening skills and your writing skills, and not writing, okay? Writing skills. Writing skills. You do not pronounce the W, okay? Writing skills. Are you ready, guys? Let's go! Okay, Nicole, we are listening to you now.
Okay. This is more about my day, a normal day for me. And this is after I get back after I finish work, okay? So when I get home from work.
So you have to listen up. So please listen and then try to write.
When I get home from work, I study French for 2 hours. And then I have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal of a school next year.
Okay, so let me repeat. You have to listen to what Nicole just said and please try to write it down on your piece of paper. Okay, guys? So can you please repeat it for us, Nicole?
When I get home from work, I study French for 2 hours. And then I have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal of a school next year.
Okay, let's break it down.
Okay.
To break it down, ça veut dire séparer en plusieurs parties. Break, it's a phrasal verb, very useful for you guys.
Yes.
To break it down and not down. Down.
Ow, O-W.
Like now.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's break it down.
Okay, first sentence. When I get home from work.
Okay, when
I get home from work.
Easy, okay. Sorry, guys. When I get home from work.
I study French for 2 hours.
For what? 2 hours?
Maybe 4 hours.
Okay.
But 2 hours.
Hours.
2 hours.
You do not pronounce the H for this very word.
Yeah.
It's very specific to this word. You do not pronounce the H.
2 hours, not
It's an exception,
hours.
right?
Yes, 2 hours.
Like, how do...
Like hour.
Hours. Same pronunciation, Same pronunciation as...
Yeah.
Les nôtres, okay?
No
Hours.
H.
How do you pronounce this word?
Honor.
You also, this is an exception, you do not pronounce the H.
Yeah, and honest, same.
Exactly.
But we have lots of words like that.
Yeah. When I get home from work,
I study French for 2 hours at least.
okay. French, capital letter for any language in English. Okay, guys? Very important.
And then I have to, but it sounds like half. And then I have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal of a school next year.
Okay, could you please repeat that slowly?
And then I have to do my classes for the university. So we can.
Okay. And then?
And then I have to.
I
I
have
have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal.
A what?
A principal.
Principal. Same word.
Principal?
So, director.
Yeah, like
but
that.
for school.
Yeah.
For school. Okay.
A
I'm
principal?
I'm going to be, okay, a principal.
Of a school next year.
Of a school next year.
And we can also say by next year, but it means the same thing. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Before we keep
Keep going.
improving your English, guys, I wanted to add something. Si vous ne l'avez pas encore fait, vous pouvez toujours vous inscrire à votre formation. Je prends mon petit papier, sinon je risque de me tromper sur la date, qui aura lieu demain. Donc, ça sera le jeudi 22 novembre à 20h. C'est la dernière session. C'est une formation qui dure environ 1 heure, qui s'intitule Le plan précis pour parler en anglais rapidement. C'est gratuit, c'est sur Internet. On va parler en majorité de la prononciation de l'anglais, de la compréhension et comment le pratiquer tous les jours, que ce soit depuis le confort de votre salon ou tout simplement en vous rendant pas très loin de chez vous où vous pourriez rencontrer les anglophones. On va voir comment faire tout ça. Si vous voulez vous inscrire, c'est simple. Vous avez le lien juste au-dessus, en haut à droite de Nicole. Ou vous avez aussi le lien dans la description juste en dessous. Thank you very much, Nicole, for your help.
You're welcome.
So, let's keep going, guys.
Okay, so I will read this again and then I will continue. When I get home from work, I study French for 2 hours. And then I have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal of a school next year or by next year.
Perfect. Then,
Okay? Once I finish my homework, I study chess with my coach. And then I go to bed at 1 a.m.
and you wake up at 4 a.m.
5.
5. I wish I could do the same.
And that's it.
Okay. Could you please repeat it
Yes.
for us?
Once I finish my homework, I study chess with my coach, and then I go to bed at 1 a.m. And that's it.
Okay. This sentence is a little bit more complicated because of its structure, but if we break it down, si on décompose, it's going to be really easy and easier for you to understand it.
Yes.
So let's break it down then.
Let us do that. Once.
Once.
Kind of a weird word.
Une fois en fait.
Yeah. Once I finish. Once I finish.
May I say once I have finished?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah, definitely. Once I have finished or once I have finished.
Just to show you guys that it's not like, okay, in this sentence, I need this one tense. No, you have many possibilities very often. Okay?
Yes.
Once I have finished.
Once I have finished.
Present perfect. Okay? Or once I have.
Finished.
Once I finish.
Or once I finish.
Simple present.
Yep. Once I have finished or have. Once I have finished my homework or once I finish my homework, I study chess
Your homeworks or homework?
My homework.
C'est singulier, faites bien attention parce que nous, les francophones, on se jette droit dans le pluriel. My homeworks, non, my homework. C'est comme un peu advice, les conseils, il n'y a pas de S à la fin, ok?
I study chess.
What? Chess.
Les échecs.
Nice. Ok. Donc si Nicole, elle le connaît en français, maintenant, vous devez le savoir en anglais. On va faire comme ça, ok? Parce que dans un an, Nicole, elle va parler couramment français. Donc, il faut que vous fassiez la même chose avec l'anglais si ce n'est pas encore le cas. Mais on est là pour ça. I study, it's a weird I. Okay. It's not I study, it's I study. Okay.
I.
And this is always, it is always capitalized.
Always, if it's I. Like.
Okay. Et pas de, je vais faire mon prof, mais je veux pas voir ça, please. Okay? Thank you very much for your understanding, votre compréhension. Okay, let's go.
Once I have finished, or once I finish my homework, I study chess
Et là, j'ai oublié quelque chose.
with my coach. And then I go to bed.
Capital later. I go to bed. Okay.
At 1 a.m.
Oh my God. I'm just kidding.
Usually.
At 1 a.m. Sorry for that, guys. I'm doing my best, okay? Please be nice to me.
And that's it.
And
C'est
that's
tout.
what?
C'est tout. That's it.
C'est tout.
C'est tout.
That's it.
Yeah.
Very common expression in English, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. That's.
That's it.
Not that's it, but that's it.
That's
It's a hard TH. Faut que votre langue, elle rip sur la dent du haut. That's. Vous voyez, c'est hard TH. Ça s'appelle le hard TH. Il y a le soft et le hard. OK? That's it. Boom.
That's it.
That's it. Nice.
Yep.
OK. Could you please read it out loud
Yep.
for us?
When I get home from work, I study French for 2 hours. And then I have to do my classes for the university because I'm going to be a principal of a school next year or by next year. Once I finish my homework, I study chess with my coach, and then I go to bed at 1 a.m. That's it.
Okay, perfect. So pay attention to this word, capital letter
Capital,
for the first letter. Hours, not hours. Okay. So I want you guys also to pay attention to
Homework, not homeworks.
exactly principle. Sorry, Nicole. And as you said, of course, homework. Capital letter here also, and then that's it, I guess.
Très bien.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you like it. On se retrouve évidemment demain pour une nouvelle vidéo. Thank you so much, Nicole.
Darian.
And if you haven't done it, vous pouvez encore vous enregistrer pour la dernière session de formation gratuite qui aura lieu demain, jeudi à 20h. Nous serons le 22 novembre. Pour ce faire, c'est simple, vous avez le lien juste en dessous ou au-dessus de la tête de Nicole, si je puis dire. On va parler prononciation, expression, compréhension. Ça dure environ 1 heure, c'est gratuit, c'est sur Internet, les places sont limitées. Au moment où j'enregistre cette vidéo, c'est un petit peu en avance, donc je ne sais pas s'il en reste encore. Si vous voyez que le lien est encore actif, vous pouvez donc vous inscrire. Si ce n'est pas le cas, eh ben, malheureusement, il faudra attendre la prochaine fois, mais je suis obligé de limiter pour faire vraiment la formation de la meilleure qualité possible. Voilà. So, thank you again, guys. Si vous avez le moindre commentaire, vous mettez ça juste en dessous, OK? We are waiting for your questions or comments. Nicole, do you have would you like to add something maybe? Okay, next video then.
Peut-être.
Okay. Talk to you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.